Ah,
I
ah, God.
what?
I'll break my eardrums.
I'm not even talking loud.
Okay.
So I changed the route, and it says 1.5 miles, turn right.
Okay, which way?
Here, I'll get in front of you. Stay right where you're at.
I like this view.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll get you started, and once it changes on you, then you can get back up there.
Sounds like a plan to me. You can take the lead for a while.
I'm going to turn right.
This is different.
Uh-huh. What you're saying?
Still got the same old route on there. Just go for a little bit now. Okay, it changed over.
1.3, making a left?
Yep,
Okay.
probably back to 30.
Huh?
Back to 30.
It went back to 30.
No, I said turn left up here and go back to 30.
Oh, I don't think so.
Still says about the same time in arrival.
Mine says 220.
Does it?
Uh-huh.
Mine's at 158.
Okay.
Hour 49 minutes.
Mine says 2 hours and 11 minutes. I don't know.
Well, yours probably went to the right route. Mine probably going to take us back the other way.
Hopefully you don't take us on no dirt road.
Well, I don't know about that. Mine's showing going up 77 and Route 2.
We're going to turn left up here. Over the gravel.
Would you pick the middle one?
The very last one.
The 26?
I don't know what it was. The very last one it was. Let me pull over. Huh?
No, if you want to keep driving.
All right. I'll lead.
Just tell me a little bit sooner before you turn.
All right. It's 2 miles. I'm gonna make a left.
Damn. That mic's too close to your mouth or something. I keep turning it down and it keeps. Last time I could hardly hear you. This time, every time you say something, it about goes through my skull.
It's up. It didn't move. It's in the same place.
I moved it last time. We went right because you kept saying it kept falling down.
Yeah, I know. Said it hasn't moved anymore.
I put it up there. You're just got a loud voice. This is what we wanted anyhow, country road.
Yep. There's ducks.
Yeah. Now we know where we can drop ours off at.
I mean, .3 miles. Make a left.
0.3.
Yeah. At the stop sign.
Just take a little longer stop there.
Okay.
Because mine got the 3 routes on it. Let me pick one here. Okay.
We're coming.
2:17 arrival time.
2:18. Yeah, that's it.
I can't. It won't let me pick it.